This is my eXmark Laser Z zero-turn mower. I'm going to show how to install the jack mount kit as well as the Toro Bulldog mower jack. I purchased the jack mount kit on the internet as well as the Toro Bulldog mower jack. Each are sold separately. I will include the links to these products in the video description. When unboxing the jack mount kit, you will find the following: the solid steel jack mount and a packet of hardware. The jack mount should come with a safety and instructional decal on the top side of the mount. The hardware includes 2 bolts and 2 lock nuts. The tools you'll need is a 14mm wrench or a 14mm socket. When unboxing the jack, you should find it packaged within a bag along with instructions on use and operation. Also, make sure the jack comes with a jack pin, which is attached with a chain. Begin by parking the mower on a hard level surface such as a concrete pad. Next, note the location where the mount will be installed. This will be on the right-hand front wheel frame as seen here. This is a view from the top. Note the pre-existing mounting plate. Take the mount and place it on the frame with this orientation. The jack mount tube should be angled down, and the safety decal should be on the top. Next, slide the jack mount onto the wheel frame in this manner. On the outside of the wheel frame, make sure the mounting plate holes align with the jack mount holes. Then, install the 2 bolts in this manner. Then, thread on the lock nuts as seen here. Now, take the 14mm wrench or socket and tighten each nut. Once tight, check the mount to make sure it's secure. The mount is now ready to receive the jack. Begin by making sure the engine is off and the PTO is disengaged. Set the parking brake and raise the mower deck to the transport position. The jack can now be installed onto the mount. Insert the jack tube onto the jack mount. Make sure you align the mounting holes and secure the jack with the jack pin. Rotate the handle clockwise on the jack to raise the mower until the jack is at the desired height. Do not overextend the jack. Then lower the mower onto a jack stand for extra support and safety. The mower is now safe for maintenance. Once maintenance has been completed, remove the jack stand and rotate the handle counterclockwise to lower the mower. Remove the jack and store for future use. The mower is now ready to use.